What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a brand new sneaker haul. Today I'll be showcasing with you guys 7 new and some of them are not new sneakers that I recently acquired, picked up, bought, paid even resale for, and was gifted. I got some really cool shoes in the back right here. 2 Reebok sent over, but they're just not any pair of regular Reeboks. They're actually a Hypebeast pair of Reeboks. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Hypebeast Reebok. Those two terms don't usually go hand in hand, but the pair of sneakers I'm gonna box for you guys and give you guys my actual live reaction because I've never seen them before in my entire life. Well, we'll save that for the very end of the video. But if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name's Christian. We do lots of sneaker content on this channel, including reviews, unboxings, vlogs, and of course, well, today we have some shoes to show you guys. So if you guys like any of the sneakers I show you guys in today's video, check out the description down below. I'll leave them linked down there. Of course, some of these won't be there because I paid resale for them and they're sold out. But yeah, with that said, let's get to the sneaker haul. Let's start off with these Pumas right here. So this was a gift from Champ Sports, so thank you to the friends over there. And I actually got these in November. And they are the brand new Puma RSX Cubed, or RSX 3. These bad boys right here are the big brother of the Puma RSX. This was one of the very first colorways to release from the lineup of the RSX 3. It's this blue, yellow, and red pair. They're quite comfortable. I want to say they're actually a little bit more comfortable than the original Puma RSX. Now, the next sneaker I'll be showing you guys is from ComplexCon. I actually bought these at ComplexCon because I wanted to meet again the homie Gary Vaynerchuk, aka Gary V, aka one of the most influential entrepreneurs on the planet. I dropped out of college or university after I met him, like right after I met him, and yeah, he's made a huge impact on my life. So he was at ComplexCon. He didn't have any big talks or anything, but he did have a booth there, and he released the brand new Gary V 005 with K-Swiss. As you guys know, Gary V has released a few sneakers with K-Swiss in the past, and these right here, based off YouTube comments on the vlogs and some of the Instagram photos I've seen, not too many people are digging these. However, they are reselling for a good amount, and I got these sneakers signed by Gary himself. So I don't know if I want to keep these for my personal collection or if I want to resell them, because I know Gary would be totally approval, like he would give full approval to resell these and make more money. So let's slide open this box. They have a little dust bag here as well. Authenticity wins. So it has one little dust bag here. Here we have it. So the Gary V 005, these are limited to 300 pairs, as you can tell with the little tag right here. The materials they used on these was actually really, really good. I want to say better than the previous Gary V sneakers. And it's like this coral pink, not a color we're used to seeing from K-Swiss. On the inside of the sneaker, we have Gary V's signature right here. And as I mentioned to you guys earlier, I dropped out after buying his sneaker and meeting him in real life for the first time. I got these. These are signed as well. And then I have another pair signed too. So I might just resell the whole collection, or I might just keep them for sentimental sake, or, you know, that kind of value. And they come with some extra laces here as well. So pretty cool. Not a sneaker I would typically see myself wearing. But yeah, that is the second sneaker pickup, the Gary V 005, signed from ComplexCon. The next sneaker pickup is a pair of sneaker boots from the friends over at Vans. So thank you to the friends over at Vans for these boys right here. We'll pop open the lid. Here we have a little letter here. It reads, "Hi Christian, hope you get a kick out of these new Vans this winter. We can't wait to see how you rock the look. Catch you out there. Your Vans Canada and ByCom team." So thank you, Vans Canada, for sending this pair over right here. These are the Vans UltraRange High DI. So usually when it comes to Vans, I typically rock the Skate High and the old school model. However, this is my first pair of, actually no, they sent over a pair of Vans sneaker boots last year. This is what they were. They were like a chukka or a mid-top version of the Vans Skate High. I like these a lot, but this was last year's sneaker boot that they sent over. This definitely really looks more like a boot versus these. These you could probably pull off as a sneaker and no one would even know that they're like winterized and ready to go for the snow in Canada. Not too crazy about these, but thank you again, Vans. So yeah, that is the third sneaker pickup for today's haul, the Vans UltraRange in this blue and black colorway with the gum bottom as well. All right, the next sneaker pickup comes in from the homies over at Puma. These right here, I was really excited for this release because I love the colorway. These are from Puma, so thank you again to the friends over at Puma. Love you guys. And these are another colorway of the Puma RSX cubed or RSX3. So let's take one out of the box. It's nicely wrapped up in all this tissue. I think I like this colorway a bit more than the first one I showed you guys. These here are the RSX cubed in the white, black, and red colorway. Love, love, love this colorway. I'm surprised they didn't really release any Puma RSXs like the original version in a white red kind of colorway like this. But yeah, it's about time they released something that is right up my colorway palette. I do think I like the original a bit more, but this is a nice switch up if you wanted to, you know, get something new, get something available in stores right now. I'll leave links for these sneakers in the description down below as well. But yeah, what do you guys like better? Do you guys like the white, black, and red colorway, or do you like what I'll call the Lego colorway? Because I get Lego vibes from these ones for some reason. Let me know in the comment section down below, or the card in the top right hand corner of the screen right now, which colorway is better. Now, a couple months ago there was a sneaker convention in Toronto, and I actually I probably had my worst day for sneaker sales ever at that event. I did end up buying a pair of sneakers for a very, very good price from a reseller who was also a subscriber as well. I forget the exact price I paid. I think it was $325 Canadian, and therefore a pair of Sacai sneakers. These right here, oh, I'm so happy I got these in my collection, man. These are straight fire. So yeah, Sacai Blazer mid in the black, gray, white colorway. I love the Blazer mid. I really started to fall in love with it ever since they did the off-white version with Nike. I love what Sacai did with the Blazers right here. I know more people like the LD Waffle a bit more. A lot of people made it their sneaker of the year. I love these Blazers, man. I love the detail, the attention to detail here. I love the 34.5 midsoles on the back. I love the double tongue, the double laces. It's such a avant-garde kind of sneaker. It's really, really out there, and it's in a colorway that I can wear often. I try and pay resale for sneakers that I can like wear with a lot of different outfits. That's just, it sort of helps justify buying them. Now, there is a problem with this sneaker.
Come on, man.
There's a small factory flaw, I believe the seller said, and it's on the tongue. So this right here, as you can see, the double tongue, one of the tongues has some damage right here. I got it like this. But for $325 Canadian, brand new. Was this shoe worth it? Let me know in the poll in the top right hand corner. Was it worth the $325 Canadian? I'll have the other conversions up on screen for my American and Filipino viewers. I've only worn these like twice, and I'm definitely going to put these into my weekly rotation. Anyways, let's get on to the next pickup, which is a BAPE collaboration. Now, if you guys didn't know, BAPE is celebrating its 20th anniversary for the BAPE. It is the Hypebeast Air Force One before Hypebeast Air Force Ones were a thing. I'm still bamboozled as to why Nike never, sued BAPE for doing the BAPE 20 years ago. They're still doing big runs of them today. But this right here is a collaboration with Doc Martens. Dr. Martens. They're often referred to as Docs, are an incredibly popular boot. They're very, very popular. This is my very first pair of Doc Martens. Thank you to the people over at Doc Martens for sending these over. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to wear these, and it's just so fitting that they're a collaboration with BAPE. Doc Martens could have reached out earlier with a generic kind of pair, something most people would wear every single day. But the fact that they reached out to me and the very first pair that they ever gave me was the BAPE collaboration, that's really cool. That's very thoughtful. I appreciate it. So here we go. Let me pop open the lid. I haven't yet seen these, and I don't know what to expect. Hi, Christian. Hope you enjoy your new Dr. Martens x BAPE. Can't wait to see you rock them, the DM team. At Dr. Martens Official. So thank you, Dr. Martens Official, for sending these over. And let's open them up. Let's get this paper out of the way. Ooh, I was not expecting that much camo. Damn. So this, wow. Take a look at this, guys. This is different. I'm gonna have some fun wearing these right here. Dang, this is like the most hypebeast Doc Martens I've ever seen in my life. This was not a collaboration I saw coming at all this year. I honestly don't know much about these. I'll probably do a review on these very soon, but here we have a small little tag here as well. We have the zipper here with a little tissue, so we can just take that off. Ooh, it even has some more branding. So here's the Doc Martens branding right there. On the other side, it has the BAPE logo, the double tag on the back. And yeah, very fitting that this is on the year where it's the 20th anniversary of the BAPE, because this is the famous BAPE star we see on all the Bapes, of course. Thank you, Doc Martens, for sending these Bape ones over. This is a really cool boot to add to my rotation, and I will have my top 5 boots video coming very soon for the winter and spring season. We got one final sneaker pickup. I also am going into this one blind because I have no idea what is inside. But I was told they're like a hypebeast brand that's collaborating. So these are from the friends over at Reebok. I don't know. Ooh, yo, the box lid is sick. I recognize the logo already. There we go. Oh, yo, this box. Check out this box. I was not expecting this at all. Reebok and BBC collaboration. These are the Reebok Zig Kinetica. Don't know what these look like. Let's find out together. The box is very sturdy though. Let's just have a moment of appreciation for the box. You guys know a nice box when you see it. This is definitely a nice box. All over moon print on the bottom layer. And then it has like a galactic starry print on the lid of the box. So, whoa, definitely a collector's item. Let's pop open this. I'm expecting a very, very loud sneaker. Looks like we have a little letter here as well. Christian, welcome back to you, plus the big. We thought you'd like these. Let us know what you think, Team Reebok Canada. So thank you to the friends over at Reebok for sending this over. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get into this pair right now. Oh, we got a little, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be extra laces in here, but that's a cool way to package the extra laces, not just in a plastic little bag. It's in a cool little cardboard packaging thing right here. I'll even read something. Wealth is of the heart and mind, not the pocket. That's what it reads right here. Whoa. Yeah, these are cool. I was expecting loud, bold, colorful. This is still really loud and bold, but it's not as colorful as I thought it was gonna be. These are sick. These are like a moon landing kind of sneaker, man. These look really, really cool. Very futuristic. And the bottom, check out the bottom. There's like a long line with nothingness on the inside, like a small little indent right here. That's cool. This print is insane on the side. It really does look like a moon, like that print we saw on the box earlier. And this like very aerodynamic kind of print on the side right here. It's like a texture as well. Very sick. We also have the BBC logo right here on the tongue. And maybe these glow in the dark? I don't know. I feel like this kind of like sort of green they use right here on top of the moon print might be a glow in the dark thing. So we'll see very soon, probably on my Instagram. So follow me on my Instagram at SneakerTalkCA to see these if they do glow in the dark or just for some up close images. These look like they're gonna be quite comfortable. So thank you to the friends over at Reebok Canada for sending these over. The Reebok Zig Kinetica BBC collaboration. I think they might have a couple other colorways too. If they do, I'll have them up on screen right now. If you guys made it to the end of the video, make sure you guys smash that like button. It helps out my channel a ton. And of course, comment down below letting me know your favorite sneaker pickups from today's video. Whether you really, really like them and want to add them to your collection, or thought they were very, very interesting and now you're curious about them a bit more and you want to do some more research. Something like that. Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. It's SneakerTalkCA on everything. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have an awesome week. Peace out.